In this video, I'm sharing a buttercream ocean themed mermaid tail cake. Welcome to Wedding Cakes for You. Hi, it's Lorelei, and this is my birthday cake. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. To make the mermaid tail, begin with the gum paste or fondant mixed with Tylose powder. Roll it into a cylinder shape and use your fingers to thin the part between the flippers and the main body. Press that flat and then slice that in half. Using your rolling pin, thin out the tail. Cornstarch helps to keep the tail from sticking to the surface, but you can also use spray oil. Use an X-Acto knife to shape the tail, and then use a rounded knife to create indentations, and then carefully cut a few of them to create the fins. Use a round decorating tip to create scales by pressing it into the soft gum paste. Trim the tail down to the size that you want and then push a skewer or a toothpick into the base. Let that dry for a few hours at least. Overnight is even better. To color Italian Meringue buttercream, sift a small amount of powdered sugar over it and then mix in your coloring. I left a little bit of it unmixed, and I also did a second batch of teal blue, plus I added a small amount of black to a third batch of blue to give it more contrast by giving a darker blue color. If you want to learn all about buttercream, I have a course and a link is below for you. You can go check it out. If you want to get the effect that I did on this cake, start with a white buttercream, then add streaks of blue, and scrape some of it off until you're happy with the way it looks. Do the same with the top tier. An interesting plate like this one helps to add to your design. Graham cracker crumbs help keep the layers from sticking for easier removal. You can also use coconut, or you can use parchment paper. Use a spoon or a spatula to add the buttercream on the sides and top of the cake.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. She's waiting for love to be realized.
Use a mold and some melted white chocolate to make edible seashells. Freeze for about 5 to 10 minutes and then pop them out. I really appreciate all of you being here. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.